Okay, let's get the LCD. And to do that, I do want to point out that 9x plus 3, you probably should factor that first. It would be 3x plus 1. And certainly looking at it, I'm going to say the LCD now is 21, 3x plus 1. So let's do this. See what you get. You get 12x minus 5. And let's see, 21s would cancel and you get 3x plus 1. Let's do the next thing, which is minus. We get 3x plus 4, certainly. And let's see, you'd get 7 then. Right, because the 3 would cancel, you get a 7, and the 3x plus 1 cancels, good. What do you get on the right side? Well, you certainly get 4x minus 5. And then the 7 cancels, you get 3 then. And you get 3x plus 1. All right? I know it seems like a lot of work, but I want to point out, I'm going to just plow through it now. And what do you get? Let's see, you get 36x squared minus 15x plus 12x minus 5 minus 21x minus 28. Let me do the other side. And let's see. You get 12x squared times 3, which is 36x squared. Then you get 4x times 3 is 12x. And then you get, let's see, minus 15x times 3 minus 45x. Then you get minus 5 times 3, which is minus 15. What's nice about this, and I'm looking at it, I'm saying that this disappears from both sides. It's no longer quadratic. And now I'm going to, try to combine terms here. And, I'm going to basically look at, the x's and the constants separately. So let me look at the x's first. And I'm going to do it on this side as well. All right, if I do that, I'm just going to do the x's first. Let's see, you get 15, minus 15 plus minus 3, minus 24x. Now I'm going to look at the constants, and that's going to be minus 33. On the right side, you would get minus 33x minus 15. All right? Going to keep plowing forward. I'm going to add 33x to both sides. And I'm going to add 33 to both sides. Let's see, it gives 9x equals, let's see, 18, right? X is equal to 2. Okay, let's take a look. By the way, I notice I did something a little bit differently here, but it doesn't matter. It's still the same problem. I just did something a little bit different. All right, you're going to appreciate that over time, that when you do a problem one day, you do it one way, another day you might do it a slightly different way. You see something different each day, and you should. You should see the problems being the same old, same old. I want to say that I think the most important thing you should realize is that you should always be on the lookout. Does that solution here produce a division by 0 here? And it does not. So I'm going to say it's safe, all right? Now, safe doesn't mean it's right, but it is a safe answer. So what I want to do is I want to see if it's right by checking it. Now, I'm not going to do this too often, but, we'll start off slow. And I'm going to try, I always try it in the original, right? So you get 24 minus 5, which is 19. I'm checking it now. Minus, well, that's going to be 6 plus 4, which is 10. And at the bottom, you get 18, you get 21. Equals, well, if x is 2, you get 8 minus 5, which is 3 sevenths. Let's keep moving along. This is going to be 9 over 21. And if you reduce that, what do you get? 3 sevenths. So it does stand to reason, right? This is a good answer, and it's certainly matching what the key is saying. All right, just want to give you a little reminder. My name is Ron Bannon. My email address, Bannon, that's B as in boy, the @ symbol, nnon.us. And again, if you have comments or concerns related to improving the document, love to hear from you. Thank you.